Richard. Now being loaded, set, ready for racing. Race number 1, good luck. Racing just is started. We have a spring collection. Break quick, let us start. Proud Papa, Princess Tin, Gates of Money comes next. Well. The next on line is Magdapio, is stand out. Red Lakota, and on the outside comes Movie Title. Wind Turbulence comes next. Cheap keeps Sosa. Then next on line El Mundo. Richard racing second last, while Misty Loy is the early trailer by about 18 lengths. Up the leader, racing down the backstretch. We have the quick is riding is Spring Collection on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. And in second is Red Lakota, Princess Tin rushing about the outside is Standard. Gates of Money comes next, then followed by El Mundo. Well, Proud Papa, then comes Cheap, Keep Sosa, Magdapio, Movie Title, Wind Turbulence, Richard, while Misty Loya is still racing in 14th. Last 400 meters of the race, where is Spring Collection enjoying a 4 lengths lead. El Mundo now in second, and in third comes number 8 is Standard as they swing to round. Spring Collection enjoying a 4 lengths lead, and on the outside second is El Mundo. They stand out. Gates of Money last 75 years. Spring Collection, El Mundo is on the outside, and finally it's Spring Collection. El Mundo close is stand out. Gates of Money, then comes number 12 Movie Title and Richard.
Okay. Una pong tumawid. That's horse number 6. Spring Collection. That is our unofficial winner for race number 1, the Manila Jockey Club Incorporated Cup. Magandang pagdadala ni Mark Gonzalez. And